What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a geek. So the question is that why Java is still the let me see the question. Why Java still why Java is the still the best programming language? In simple word, why Java is still the king? My answer will be simple. Java is built like robust. Even C sharp C++. I mean, C sharp was like direct answer to Java. I mean, C++ was the beginning answer, and the conclusion was that C sharp is going to win. But every programming language lose. I'm not a fanboy. I'm talking the reality. Yes, C++ is most highly deployed in the real world, but if you want something which is stable, which is going to live for maybe next 20, 30 years, that is Java. Java. I mean, when the Android application was developed, they picked Java. Why? I mean, Java code is like much cleaner and easy to understand, easy to write, and therefore newbies is like better. I'm not telling that Java is like, I mean, is a beginner friendly. That is PHP mostly, or Python, or even Ruby. But the Java some kind of vibe into it, which I mean attract the newbie. Java is something. Java is also a coffee name. Yeah, coffee and programming maybe they are the same thing in the real world. That's why. I mean, especially if you want to become a hardcore hacker, you need to use Java. To be honest with you, I mean, without Java, there's nothing. Yeah, Java will always be the king. To be honest with you, Java will always be the king. There's absolutely no doubt in my mind. Java. Give me some Java. I'm a Java. So yeah, I mean, the main reason is that I mean the security reason due to the professional application in the real world. The major point I forgot to mention, especially all of the major banking website, online banking is in the JSP Java Server Page, which is framework of Java. I mean, just by the Muri Java book, this one is like PHP. Just by the Muri Java book, you will be like well off. So if you have any more question, my email address is in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and then bye.